Hey there, everybody. Neil Tyra here, estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland. I wanted to talk to you for just a couple of minutes today about an issue that came up with a client not too long ago. And we were talking about how they might pass along their home, the house that they lived in, to their children. And they said to me, "Well, we just added them um, to the title. We just went down and did a new title and just put them on the title so that when we pass away, they'll get the house automatically." And while that was a popular methodology for passing real estate on in the past, it has some significant tax consequences these days. Specifically, the beneficiary, your children in that scenario, lose the benefit of a step up in cost basis when it comes to capital gains. Now, what does that mean? So when you sell a home, most of you know that you pay tax on the capital gains, the difference between what it cost you to acquire the home and what you sold it for. So if you bought a home, let's just say for $100,000 when you were young, it's now worth $500,000, and you add your children to the title, they, if they choose to sell the house at some point, their capital gains is going to be computed as if they bought it for $100,000. So if they sold it for $750,000, they had a capital gains of $650,000. Now, if you gave it to them in your will or as a result of your trust document, they receive what's called a step up in basis. And so the cost basis is determined to be what the value of the home was at the time they inherited it. So if when they inherited it, it was worth $500,000 and they sold it for $750,000, well, then they would only have a cost basis, a capital gains of $250,000 as opposed to $650,000. And that can make quite a bit of difference when it comes to paying capital gains tax. Now, I'm not a tax expert, but I know enough about that to feel confident about that issue. If you'd like to learn more, speak to your tax specialist or your accountant or whoever does your taxes. And if you need some help with your estate plan and kind of sort those issues through, I'm happy to work with you. You can contact our office, and the information here is at the end of the video. So thanks ever so much for being with us today. I hope that was helpful to you, and we'll talk to you again at another point.